Hello everyone, I'm Antonio Grieco, a student of La Sapienza University in Rome, and now we will discuss about my last project, that is BuzzAlert, a smart alarm and lock system developed for the IoT course. Now we have to set up the relevant things. We have to use 4 different terminals. For the first one, we will set up the net interface using tap. We have to execute 2 commands that you can see on the screen. For the second one, we have to start the broker. We are using Mosquito, that is a really small broker. Now we have to start the transparent bridge, that is a bridge written in Python for allow the communication between the board and the AWS. And for the last, we have to flash our board using the command make flash term. That is a command provided by the RiotOS operating system to put our code inside of the board. Until we wait the end of the flashing phase, we will talk about the wiring. In this picture you can see all the sensors and actuators attached to the board. And now we will briefly show through a video the architecture of the project. So now we can see the board and all the sensors and actuators attached to it. All the project is set up inside a box representing a virtual home. So this is a ultrasonic sensor pointing to a door for the purpose of the smart alarm part of the project. And in this frame we can see the servo motor that is attached on the right side of the door for the other part of the project, that is the smart locker. This is the dashboard of our application. We have the GitHub repo and the blog post on axter.io link. Here we can see that we have in current state smart alarm, and now we switch to smart lock. At this point the servo will trigger and close the locker, and the vibrator switch will activate. And now I tap on the vibrator switch to emulate an intruder trying to bump inside the door. On the terminal we can see that there is an alarm, and is reported also on the dashboard with a black dot, indicating that is referred to the smart lock part of the application. Now we switch to smart alarm, the servo motor will open, and the ultrasonic sensor will start to sense the distances. At this point we open the door, and the ultrasonic sensor will notice the fact that the distances are changed and will trigger the LED and the buzzer, emitting a strong noise. Also, this event is represented on the dashboard using a red dot. And now, for the last part of the project, we have the state off that deactivate all the sensor and the actuators. As we can see, we are opening the door, and ultrasonic sensor will do nothing, and also the vibrator switch is in state off. That's all for the project. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for your attention.